생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 서두와서 어쩌해서 생일 축하합니다. Forgive me guys for singing that. I'm not sure if I sung it well. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Miss Nail Character, and for today's video, we are making this birthday nail art. This is the nail art that I wear on my birthday. So after painting the nude on my pinky and my thumb, I am putting this white color on my ring finger, middle finger, and my index finger. So I decided to upload this first because I just want to show you this one, These are the flex of my nail art brushes and everything that I use. Okay, so there you have it. So after painting the base color, of course, we are putting this top coat to smoothen the surface of our nails. You know that. So here I got interrupted with this food that my brother brought me. Thank you so much. I enjoyed the shawmai and the Don Eric's ice cream cheese flavor. So here I'm putting my baby acrylic black to paint my nails. And here I am just making the phenomenon minimalist cake design on my nails. So I just decided to put HBD on my ring finger, and that's it, because minimalist is a thing. I just do it, okay? So I'm just putting the HBD using my nail art brush, dip it on the acrylic paint. So ayan. And then for my index finger, I am putting this nail art jewelry, and I use my top coat to make it as a glue. Yeah, the purpose of it, to make it a glue. And after putting that one is this diamond like nail art jewelry there on top of our triangular jewelry. So next is on my middle finger, I am putting this golden floral design on my middle finger, and I hope you like it because I like it too. Thank you so much for those people who surprised me on my nail art community for my birthday. I truly appreciate it. And for those people who remembered my birthday, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Ciao!